In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can make Google Maps default on your iPhone device. So let's just dive straight into the video, guys. Now, as for setting default map applications on your iPhone, to be honest with you guys, it is a little bit messy and Apple is quite behind compared to kind of other devices out there. So unfortunately, you actually cannot set a default map app. So this means you cannot set the Google Maps as by default. However, there are a couple of ways to get around this. So say for example, I want to kind of go to a particular location. I can go into Safari, say I've got a cafe. If it's in Google, it will automatically open in Google Maps. So say for example, I want to go to this random house. I can tap on this icon and this will now go and open me up directly into Google Maps because I was already open in Google. Now, if for example, I want to go to a particular street that maybe someone has sent me on a message or something, I can actually go and copy this address instead and then go back into Google Maps and then go and kind of search for that street instead of using the Apple Maps. Because if I was instead going to tap on this link by default from, say, a text message, then it will open me in Apple Maps. So it is a little bit frustrating, and hopefully this does get resolved in a future update where you can kind of select which Maps application you'd like to use. So hopefully this video was of some help to you guys. Again, very frustrating, and hopefully they fix this in future updates. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.